My TV presents Sinulog 2020. Senor!
The My TV 2020 Sinulog coverage is brought to you by IMG International Marketing Group, your total financial solution. Kaiser Medical Center Incorporated, caring for everyone. Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation, the best way to show your love. Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated, the first name in healthcare. De Los Reyes Optical Clinic, an eye for excellence. Cebu Landmasters Incorporated, Philippine Airlines.
We are here live in front of Cebu City Sports Center to witness the event of Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Lalawigan 2020. This year, Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Lalawigan contingents painted the Cebu City streets with vibrant costumes, while executing the traditional Sinulog dance that is accompanied by their high-spirited smiles. The event kicked off with a parade which started along the Cebu Provincial Capitol grounds, down to Fronte Osmeña, then to the gate of Cebu City Sports Center as a concluding location of the procession.
I could say even with the preparation itself, we did our best, both the Cebu City Governing Board, Cebu City's Sinulog Governing Board, and the Sinulog Foundation Incorporated. Actually, the number of contingents were not that many because the president who was beside me a while ago already gave me an instruction that we must not have too many contingents, but we'll have the quality ones.
Featuring creatures of our very own Philippine folklore, such as Manananggal, Carcar City Division once again defended their crown as the champion of Sinulog sa Lalawigan 2020, which defeated the other participating contingents, namely Bogo, Hinatilan, Toledo, Lapu-Lapu City, and Talisay City.
Magpasalamatan kay ko sa mong mga kabataan, no? Bisan hamubo kayo ang panahon sa mong pag-ensayo, pero nakita gyud nako nga kanang nakuha gyud nila og ila gyud nasabtan. Mahinaot ko nga karong umabot nga Mardi Gras, ila pag yung paninduto ng ilang performance.
After a 6-year break, Lapu-Lapu City returned to the Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Lalawigan stage, featuring the online game Mobile Legends, which placed third in the Ritual Showdown, Street Dancing, and Best in Musicality categories.
Well, we are all excited. No? We have a lot of the Opunganos are coming here just to watch this Sinulog 2020, just to cheers our contingent for the past 6 years that Lapu-Lapu did not participate. So now we're come back just to give thanks to Senior Santo Niño for the love and blessings that they have given to the Opunganos. And this is also in the preparation for the 500 years of the centennial celebration of the Christianity of the Philippines.
Tourists are also enjoying and entertained by the festive ritual showdown of the participating groups as much as the local people did.
It was very good. Every year I come here and enjoy because it's very, I like anything. I come here to see sa Kabataan tomorrow sa barangay and enjoy every day the entertainment.
The Sinulog sa Kabataan sa Lalawigan 2020 has ended successful and fruitful. With Danica Olbata, this is Louie Nunez. My TV Cebu, Senor!
My TV presents Sinulog 2020. Senor!
The MyTV 2020 Sinulog coverage is brought to you by IMG International Marketing Group, your total financial solution. Kaiser Medical Center Incorporated, caring for everyone. Manila Bankers Life Insurance Corporation, the best way to show your love. Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated, the first name in healthcare. De Los Reyes Optical Clinic, an eye for excellence. Cebu Landmasters Incorporated, Philippine Airlines,